So this car seriously has some good leg room between all three seats. I'm going to show you in a minute. But it's got sunroof for the driver's part and a sunroof for that part. And I'll show you the leg room. Hold on. So here's the leg room in the middle seat.
Yeah, she will.
And it actually will move back. Hang on.
That.
You can move it back. Still have more room than I need. And back here, there's still, look at that leg room for the third seat even. I mean, that's a lot of leg room.
The rubber seats.
Yeah. And it's got a third room.
It won't matter, you'll never see them anyway.
Pretty nice. And then from back here, I still have leg room with room in front of my knees.
Oh yeah, I bet you're tired then.
It's got air. And then a little bit more room down here. She did good, I think. Hang on, I'll show you the outside. Oh, and the third row seating folds down flat. It's pretty neat. Here's the outside.
Yeah, I guess so.
It is fancy looking. Anyway, just wanted to show off her fancy new car.